Hello, I'm Nick. Today I will show you how to use MCP to turn your Figma design into code. It will be fun. First, let me quickly introduce what MCP is. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's designed to manage and structure context provided to AI systems. In the case of Figma, MCP is used to transfer design from Figma to AI-powered code environment, like Cursor. This is a design that I will turn into code. It's a card in a frame that has the size of a desktop viewport. The process of sending this design to Cursor is well documented by Figma. I will leave a link to this page in the description. Two things that I want to mention up front. First, you need a paid Figma tier to use Figma MCP feature. And you need to use Figma desktop app. MCP doesn't work on a web version of the app. The process of sending your design from Figma to dev environment via MCP has 3 steps. The first step is enabling the MCP server in the Figma. To do that, we will need to ensure that we're using the latest version of the app. We can do it by clicking Check for updates in Figma. Next, in Preferences, we need to enable Dev Mode MCP Server. The server will run locally on your machine at this address. Next, we will need to configure the MCP client in the dev environment. In our case, it will be Cursor AI. I will copy this configuration code and use it in the Cursor. The final step is prompting the MCP client. I will provide a link to my Figma design and ask Cursor to code it. A link will be a link to selection in Figma. So, let's start with the first step. Check that we have the latest version of Figma app. Then, in Preferences, enable the MCP server. Once you do it, you will see this toast message. Now let's switch to the dev mode. Hover over the card, click on it, and copy link to selection. We will use this link in a Cursor. And I can move the cursor. First, I will create an empty project. In my case, I already have an empty directory called card page. First, we need to navigate to Settings. Click Cursor Settings, select MCP Tools, and configure an MCP client. In my case, I already have Figma MCP client configured. But if you do it for the first time, you will need to click New MCP Server and provide this code. It basically contains the address of the Figma MCP server. Make sure your Figma MCP configuration shows tools and it's enabled. Now we can prompt the AI agent. And we need a link to our section in Figma. Provide this link to the agent and type "Create this design using HTML and CSS." The reason why I use HTML and CSS is because I want to test my design in a browser right away, without installing any libraries. I will also add a phrase, "Keep original content in visual style," just to prevent the cursor to skip important details. And submit it. You can see that the cursor triggered the MCP tool getCode. We should run it. And now we can see what it is. Client language, HTML and CSS. It means that we are on the right track. I will skip the process of code generation and jump to the outcome. We've got 2 files, index.html and styles.css, which is exactly what we need. Let's open the index.html in our browser. Design generated by Cursor looks very similar to our original design in Figma. That was it. Let me know what you think about Figma MCP in the comments. Thank you!